So in a top-load washer that has an electronic control board, the process is very similar as far as how to remove it. We're just going to walk you through that. I'm just going to put something down just to protect the surface, but like the other models, you're just going to pull the knob off, set it to one side. On this machine, there's two screws that hold the console in place, so I'm just going to remove those. On other machines, you may find that it's just a back panel that you're removing in order to access your timer. So with those screws removed, we can now tip our console forward. I'll just lay it down. I'm just going to remove the connection for the electrical harness, just to give myself a little bit of slack to undo it. On this particular one, it actually attaches right to your motor control board or relay board. So to release this harness, I'm just going to insert my screwdriver, pull that tab down, and wiggle the connector off. I'm just going to move my harness over to this side to have it out of the way. On some models, that harness may detach from here, and as well, this particular control, you have to remove the back cover and remove just the circuit board. On other models, it'll be a whole complete assembly that'll either be clipped in place or a couple of screws, and the whole complete control board will come away from the console. But in this case, we're just going to remove these three screws with our Phillips screwdriver. With those screws removed, we're just going to pop this cover off by just using a small blade screwdriver and prying up on the latches. Allows us to remove the cover so we can see the control board. Now all we need to do is release from this side. So I'm just going to take my small blade screwdriver and pry back on that latch to pop the board out. You see your board now lifts up. Push back on this retainer and free that, and that'll allow the board to come out of place. There's your circuit board. We can discard that to one side and reinstall the new one.